Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Welcome to beautiful inner journey of experiencing five forms. I, the soul, being point of light, sitting in the seat of my forehead, ready to dive into the inner journey of divine light of 5,000 years, part that I have played. Sweet Baba, my beloved Baba, you have come to take me back home. You have come to reawaken my whole journey, taking me to my that eternal, original experience. Helps me to liberate from all different layers, labels, belief system, and way of living my present life. Sweet Baba, holding your hand, receiving your sweet drishti, I am separating myself from my physical surroundings, physical, all kinds of attachments, ready to be beyond all the material attractions, igniting my true, divine, beautiful flame, enlightens me to my reality. I, the soul, have played my part for 5,000 years. My original place, my real abode, sweet silence. Baba said, child, let's go back home. And I feel it's calling me. Yes, I become point of light. Out of my costume of physical body, flying with Baba. It's such a fascinating experience. I'm flying. Holding Baba's hand. And then I become subtle and flying with Baba. Most subtle Baba. Like a rocket. I am flying. I am flying. And going beyond. The effect of gravitation of these 5 elements. I am free from all the gravity effects of 5 elements. I crossed sun, moon and stars. And I go beyond. Baba said, child, you are coming to me. You are flying with me. You are reaching to your original home. I am going beyond. All this effect of give and take, effect of sound and voice, all the layers are remain behind. I am flying free, flying free, beautiful soul, sparkling soul. All the layers and labels uncovered. All the locks and blocks opened up. My heart says, thank you, Baba. You opened my soul, inner doors, inner windows, and made me feel so fresh. It feels like I come out of my own prison. Wah Baba Wah. You are my liberator, Baba. You have come to open up my heart and my head. My inner beautiful consciousness. I am with you, Baba. It's a very special feeling, reaching beyond all the elements. Effect and attachment of I am light, I am double light, I am absolutely light, very tiny sparkling star. All the burden shed off. Crossing subtle region. I am reaching sweet Baba, sweet silence home in my original sweet form. This is my eternal home. I reside here with my beloved Baba. This place is filled with infinite golden red light. This place is a place of all the sparkling souls. Eternal Baba, eternal children, eternal home, eternal peace, eternal lightness. This is the real place of Shiv Baba, the powerhouse. Whole Kalpa, beloved Baba, sweet Baba. You sit here, watch the drama, play your part in a detached way. Wah Baba Wah. Finally, Baba, I have come back home. I feel deep peace here. This is the place of sweet silence home. I am sitting just next to Baba. I feel that current. Baba said, child, you are here to recharge your battery. For many, many birds, you play part. An end of the Kalpa. I bring you back to charge your battery. Yes, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Child, this is a charging station. When you charged, you are enlightened. You are empowered. You are rejuvenated, and you become powerful. Baba, I am deeply colored by your company. You are bestowing me blessing of all your qualities and powers, all the treasures are refined to my soul, refilled to my soul. Wah, Baba, wah. I am in touch with seed, living seed, Shiva Baba, the real eternal source of all the divinity. I feel my soul is also a seed and being nurtured. It can become fertile. Wah, Baba, wah. I become totally soundless, totally peaceful, detached. Baba said, child, it's time to incarnate, to play your part. You are ready Baba has bestowed you with crystal clear purity, all the celestial degrees. With Baba, I see down below the beautiful blue globe of this planet. Calling me this land of five elements is calling me. The earth is calling me. I feel my part is emerging. And slowly, with my all sparkling star brother souls, belong to the deity clan, belong to the Sun dynasty, Golden Age kingdom. All are gently, smoothly started incarnating. I, the soul, is also incarnating. Wow! Such an experience. To leave the home behind, come to this world, soul's part is emerging to play the role as a deity soul, part of the royal family of Lakshmi Narayan's kingdom. Everyone has brought own sparkling crystal clear purity. Golden soul has come into golden age. Golden energy all around is such a pure, clean vibration environment. Energy zone. Soul is pure. Body made out of five elements is pure. Everybody is smiling. Everybody is having such a kind of happiness, cheerful, joyful feelings. Very deep, very subtle. Acceptance, appreciation, contentment is radiating through eyes, through words, and almost every act. Yes, this is the world of Golden Age, world of deities, world of 16 celestial complete, all the virtues complete, complete voiceless, total non-violence, and totally who is following all the code of conducts. This is my golden age deity form. Soul is sparkling, so all the ornaments, pure bodies of the pure, five elements, all the costumes, and everything so precious, inside out. Soul is precious, world is precious, filled with unlimited richness, wealth, treasure store, overflowing. It again makes me realize expression, whatever is within is reflecting and radiating. This is my inheritance from my beloved Baba. Unlimited Father gave me unlimited inheritance. Wah, 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 wah. And I feel with soaking in this feeling, absorb this vibration. My original place is soul world. My beginning place is this golden age. I belong to it, beginning eternal deity clan, deity religion. And my journey continues. And I come to the copper age. And I see two aspects. One, my soul is stepping into the physical world and physical consciousness and start devotion. But other hand, Baba is reminding me, child, your role of playing a part of the worship-worthy soul in all variety temples. Baba said, child, You are worship worthy soul. And I feel, yes, Baba, I have received all the inner powers bestowed by you. And I start sharing these blessings as my deity form, my goddess form. I am being worshipped as a Shiva Shakti goddess Durga, and I fulfill devotees' devotional feeling, empowering them. I know subtle way Almighty Baba is fulfilling and empowering them. But I am also in that worship worthy form as a goddess Durga. Help them to be free from all the vices. My Shiva Shakti form as a Jagdamba, make them feel God's love, healing, kindness and touch of gentleness of Mother. As a Saraswati in all the schools and education places, they worship, experience knowledge and wisdom for their physical journey. With that bhavana, being worshipped as Goddess Mahalakshmi, source of all the wealth and richness, prosperity. I am being worshipped as Mother Goddess Gayatri to illuminate all the obstacles and bring serenity in the life. Being worshipped as Goddess Contentment to help them to calm down, relax and trust. Being worshipped as a Hanuman to take them beyond their inner and outer struggles. Being Ganesha, worshipped as a Mangal Murti, an image of all the benefits, all the auspicious things can shower upon them. Almighty Baba, you are ever worship worthy. You make me worship worthy. And I play this part in the copper age. But finally, as predestined drama, this world is declined and we all reach to the end of the Iron Age. Total world of irreligiousness, unrighteousness. It's like everything is in the darkness. Soul's light is also almost very little spark remains internally. Eternal soul knows deep connection with eternal Father. And finally, that little spark, that little calling from the heart, oh my liberator Baba, oh my Baba, the residents of the faraway land, come to this land. Let go the throne of the sky and come to this land. O traveler of faraway land, come and take me back home. And my Baba is receiving my call, assuring me, child, on the right time I am incarnating. I am coming to take back home. It's my duty, child. I am watching you, my child, my dear child, my sweet child. And I, the soul, feel some subtle incognito, comforting feeling, trusting. Yes, my Baba is coming. Yes, my Baba is coming. Yes, my Baba is coming to take me back with him. And I feel Baba incarnates in Brahma Baba's chariot, the lucky chariot. And I feel Baba is like a magnet. And those souls are like a real devotee needles are attracted towards Baba. Baba comes in an incognito level, incognito form, divine incarnation of Shiv Baba in a very common chariot, very special soul chariot Brahma Baba. And those who are real devotee souls, they feel that vibration, attracted towards it, pulled by that energy. Supreme light, supreme soul, supreme father, supreme teacher, supreme Sadguru incarnates. And we reach to Baba. Soul and Supreme Soul separated for a long time. So beautiful meeting happened. A flame is ignited in the middle of the gathering. And souls are attracted, singing a song. Who has come to create this happiness? In this gathering, Baba has come, and we reach to Baba through his drishti, through his words. He makes us Iron Age to Confluence Age Brahmins. I am Baba's Brahmin child, mouth-born progeny of Brahma Baba, decoration of the Brahmin clan, lamp of Brahmin clan. I am reborn. I am born again as a Brahmin. My spiritual divine new birth, and I died alive from old life, old birth of Iron Age. Through drishti, Baba is changing my world. Through drishti, bestow me so many blessings. So I become free from all the old effect of Iron Age world. Through drishti, Baba's light reaching from Baba's forehead to my forehead. And I, the soul, receive my Brahman birth, worth diamond on this auspicious confluence age. I am a Brahman soul. Baba said, child, I have come to take you back home. But I have come to make you pure first. I have come to help you, to liberate you from all this body conscious stuff that you are carrying. Then only you can fly back with me. Yes, Baba, I am ready. Yes, beloved Baba, I am ready. You have come to give me the fruit of my devotion. You have come to make me Trikaldarshi. Wah Baba Wah. Wah Baba Wah. You have come to open my third divine eye. Thank you, Baba, thank you. You have come to show me three aspects of time, whole cycle, my total journey of my soul. I'm so grateful to you, beloved Baba. I'm keep taking Baba's drishti, sharing and radiating deep, joyful, happy feelings. You are my Supreme Father, Supreme Teacher, Supreme Sadguru, Supreme Friend, Supreme Lover. Everything supreme. Wow, I am touched by Parasnath Baba, the Lord of Divinity Baba, turning to iron into gold. I am becoming Iron Age to Golden Age soul. First experiencing my soul's diamond-like stage. I am totally disinterested from the old world. I tasted Baba's pure love. So I have total distaste from the old world. I play my part to finish my karma, and I am Raja Yogi soul, Raj Rishi soul, spinner of the discus of self-realization. I spin the discus and freeze myself. Baba is teaching me. Thank you, Baba. And I follow Father Brahma's footsteps. I am Brahma Baba's right hand Brahman soul. Shiv Baba created Rajashva Ashwamegh, Avinashi, Gita Gyan Yajna, the sacrificial fire, taken care by Brahma and Brahmins. I am Baba's caretaker of Yajna, protector of Yajna. And following Father Brahma's footsteps, Brahma Baba became Avyakt. Brahma Baba became an angel. Brahma Baba flew to subtle region. Brahma Baba is in sparkling angelic form. Now calling me child, you are also an angel. And I am reaching to that angelic stage, object stage, subtle region stage, subtle form, body of the light. I am an angel. Angel Baba's angel child. This is my final position, final result of my all the spiritual awakening. I am an angel. I come to subtle region, sit with Baba Mama and all the ancestor daddies. Child, you have to serve the world, being Baba's angelic companion. Wah Baba wah. I see the whole world. Baba said, child, present time, need to help all the souls of the world. Being an angel of peace, angel of love, angel of compassion, angel of mercy, angel of forgiveness, angel of divine energies. Wherever you go, fly with your inner subtle angelic wings. Yes, Baba. And I, the angel soul, will bring all the souls to you, Baba. You are the real ocean and source of all the compassion, mercy, unconditional love. I am an angel in my subtle form, angelic sparkling form with angelic sparkling wings. I reach to the souls, whisper in their ears, God has come, Baba has come to take us back home. Let's fly to Baba. And I feel so many souls are reaching to Baba, feeling lightness. See the rays of hope they can trust, ready to be liberated, free from sorrow. Innocent Lord has come to forgive everyone, to take everyone back home, regardless of present situation. And I visualize this world is changing. Souls are going to soul world, ready for liberation and liberation in life. Beloved Baba, it is my great fortune to play part with holding your hand. See these 5 forms. I feel Baba's child always traveling with your 5 forms, hovering inside and outside, being in these 5 forms. And you are my very special child. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.
Where the power to fly within no longer dwells. Hungry for love, the shadow cast is dark, as the burning light inside the self has lost its spark. The form of destroyers from within changes us from spirit into skin. The face in the mirror has no crown of light. The inner eye of love deceived has lost its sight. True heart, we can never be apart. I don't want it any other way. Sweet song, a soundless chant that lingers on. A fire of love creates the golden day. True heart, the art of dancing in the mind, as the silent mantra once again we find, like a shadow lifted from our very soul, as the link of love begins to take control. The mirror of illusion is no more. The travelers stand again upon the shore. A journey that has taken us so very far, from a world of mortals to a shining star. fire of love.